Hi there and welcome back to the BioStar Air tutorial series. One of the biggest advantages of using a cloud access control platform is being able to monitor site activity from anywhere, anytime. And one of the easiest ways to do that in BioStar Air is through reports. In this video, we'll walk through how to create and schedule user reports, event log reports, audit logs reports, the new door reports, and finally T&A reports. This way, you always have the insights you need right at your fingertips. But reports in BioStar Air aren't just about exporting data, they're tools to uncover patterns, spot issues, and keep your site secure. Let's do an overview of each report type. First, we have user reports, found in the user management screen. They give you a snapshot of your entire user base. You can break down full-time employees versus visitors, see which credentials people are using, or check who has expired or inactive status. This is especially useful if you want to know things like which departments, like HR or IT, have full access to sensitive areas, which visitor accounts are still active when they shouldn't be, who's using mobile credentials versus physical cards, or even something as simple as how many new users were onboarded in the last month. In short, user reports help you keep your identity database clean and your access policies tight. Let's now look at the user report configuration. Go to User Management, Users, and click on the report icon. Give your report a name so you can find it later. Below, you will find filters like user type, credential type, user status, user group, access level, or floor level. Let's build a useful report together. Suppose you want to check which users have both a LinkPass credential and full access to your sites, something that's not recommended. To do this, select LinkPass under Credential Type, Full Access under Access Level, and Activated under User Status. This will quickly highlight any users who were mistakenly granted the wrong level of access. Click Add Report to save. Once it's created, you'll see it in the report list at the bottom of the page. From there, you can download the report, which will be sent to you by email as soon as it's ready. You can also edit the report or delete it if you no longer need it. Next, we have our second report type, Event Log Reports, available under Monitoring. These reports let you track what's actually happening at the doors and devices in your system. BioStar Air records more than 50 types of events, from access granted, failed or denied, to door held open or forced open events. You can filter these by user, device, door, or group to focus on what matters. Your typical use cases may include receiving a daily log of all door events straight to your inbox, tracking denied access attempts by user or area to spot suspicious activity, or monitoring whether contractors or visitors only accessed the areas they were authorized for. Event reports are your day-to-day operational lens, making sure every access event is accounted for. Let's now look at how to configure Event Logs reports. Go to Monitoring, Event Logs, and click the report icon. Again, give your report a name. Below, you will see all the different filters available, like event type, user type, device group, device nickname, user group, access level, device ID, or door. Let's build another useful report together. Imagine you want to track people trying to enter areas they don't have permission for. Under Events, select filters like Access Denied for Access Level, Access Denied for Invalid Card Expiration Date, and Access Denied for Invalid Period. This will show you exactly who was denied access, whether because their access was restricted at that moment, or because they never had access in the first place. Click Add Report to save, and your report is ready to run. We also have Audit Log Reports, also under Monitoring. However, it works a little differently. While event logs track user activity, audit logs track admin activity. In other words, they tell you what system administrators are doing inside BioStar Air itself. This is your best tool for enforcing compliance policies because it keeps your own admins accountable. You can filter by admin account, by role, or by type of action they performed. Audit reports are useful for things like tracking configuration changes made by specific admins, checking if anyone tried to modify user access without proper approval, seeing who added or deleted users in a given time frame, monitoring system level changes like time schedules or access levels, or ensuring that temporary admins only perform the tasks they were assigned. In regulated industries, this becomes a compliance report you can show auditors, proof that administrative controls are being followed. Let's look at Audit Logs Reports configuration. Go to Monitoring, Audit Logs, and click the report icon. Just like before, give it a name. Below you will see all your different filters, like account, action, admin level, or action type. For admin logs, it is interesting, see which users were recently created or deleted. For that, under Action, simply select Create and Delete, and under Type, select User. Click Add Report to save, and your report will appear in the list. We recently added a new door report, available under Door Management. This report lets you drill down to a specific door and track which users have access, and whether they're actually using it. It's a simple way to verify access patterns and ensure doors are being used as intended. Let's take a look at the door report configuration. This time, go to Door Management, Registered Doors, then click the report icon. Here, you can filter by door groups, individual doors, or specific users to see exactly what you need. And as with other reports, don't forget to give your report a name and save it. And finally, there's also a special time and attendance report available under Site Settings. This gives you a simple hours on site summary. Just keep in mind it's a basic report. It doesn't support advanced options like shift scheduling. Let's look at how to configure these T&A reports. Go to Settings, then Site, then open the Settings tab and scroll down to T&A Report. Toggle the Activate button, then click on Report Settings. Here, you can choose filters like User or User Group to see on-site hours for specific people or entire departments. You can also choose to include custom fields in your report. And don't forget to name your report and click Add Report to save. Now, what if you want these reports delivered automatically on a set schedule? With BioStar Air's Alert and Report feature, you can create an automated delivery workflow. In this video, we'll focus on the scheduling side of reports, while alerts themselves will be covered in detail in another video. To schedule a report, go to Settings, Alerts and Report, and click Add Alert and Report. In this new panel, select Report as the alert type. Pick an existing report name in the list, set a schedule, weekly or monthly, and choose the day you want it delivered. Reports are sent out at midnight on the day you choose. Finally, select who should receive it, either all admins of a certain level or specific admins by name. Reports are always delivered by email. They can't be sent via SMS or push notifications. Press Save to schedule your report and add it to the list. Before we wrap up, one last tip. Instead of creating a report, you can also use the built-in filtering tools right inside the event log or audit log lists. This way, you can quickly display the exact information you need directly in BioStar Air without generating a separate report. And that's it. Configuring reports in BioStar Air is that simple. With user, event logs, audit logs, door, and T&A reports at your fingertips, you can monitor activity across your sites effortlessly, whether you're at your desk or on the go. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.